Adding value to your small apartment through proper maintenance. Hey there, this is Cordell Davenport of Small Apartment Investors. Check out my website, smallapartmentinvestors.com, for other tips on buying and managing small apartments. In this video, I'm going to discuss adding value to your small apartment through proper maintenance. One of your most significant responsibilities is to add value to the property. You do this by setting high standards. You ensure that the property is well maintained and improved. Remember, well maintained properties attract and retain tenants, tenants that go to work every day to pay your mortgage. Think about that. Every day they wake up to pay your mortgage. So, of course, you want them to stay as long as possible at your property. And quality also means repairs completed correctly and in a timely manner. It includes following the preventative maintenance schedule that you must have, you must design. So either you can create it or use another system from somebody else. Now, by regularly having inspections and maintaining your buildings, you can prevent breakdowns. For example, regular inspections of your air conditioning, filter replacements, anything like that that can prolong the longevity of your equipment is also recommended. Now, to determine what needs to be done to each item to maintain it, you can talk to your suppliers, talk to subcontractors who sold or installed the equipment. There are service booklets with maintenance schedules and requirements also that go along with appliances and other equipment that you may have on your premises. And you can make repairs at the earliest possible time to prevent more serious problems from occurring. And to do so, document what needs to be done to be included in your preventative maintenance program. Now, here is a maintenance schedule. You can take a screenshot of this, take a picture of your phone, whatever, but use it as a guide. Create your own system so that you can be proactive with your preventative maintenance. That's it. See you later.